Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can check over and notification in your Play Store app on your Android phone. First thing to do, you can open Play Store and please update your Play Store. Turn on the auto update. So next you can tap on your profile picture and here we go, notification and offers. You can tap it. Here there is a 2 new updates. 39 updates total are pending on my phone. You can try to update all your application. Make sure your all application on your Android phone is update. And then here, payment decline, keeping your device safe and secure, and so on. And also there is some offer maybe from other app that previously you make a subscription on it, so all the notification and offer will be listed in here. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle text button below. See you in the next video.